In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove an applied material in Fusion 360. Sometimes when you apply appearances or materials to bodies, faces, or components, you may want to reset them back to the default look or simply clean up your design. The problem is that many beginners try to change the appearance again instead of properly removing it. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you the correct way to locate the applied material and completely remove it from your object. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to manage and clean up appearances inside Fusion 360. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your design inside Autodesk Fusion 360. Make sure the project you want to edit is loaded and visible in your workspace. You should be able to clearly see the body, face, or a component that currently has the material or appearance applied to it. Once your design is open, the next step is to select the object that has the material applied. This could be an entire body, a specific face, or even a full component depending on how the material was originally assigned. Simply click on the object in the workspace or select it from the browser panel on the left side of Fusion 360. After selecting the object, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Appearance and click it. This will open the Appearance panel inside Fusion 360 where all visual materials and appearances are managed. Now, inside the Appearance panel, look for the section labeled in this design. This area shows every material or appearance currently being used somewhere in your project. Find the material that is applied to the object you selected. Once you locate that material, right-click on it and choose the option called Select Objects Applied To. Fusion 360 will now highlight the objects in your design that currently use that material. This helps confirm that you're removing the correct appearance from the correct object. Now here comes the final step. Right-click that same material again inside the In This Design section. From the menu, click Unassign and Delete. As soon as you do this, Fusion 360 will remove the applied appearance from the selected object and delete that material from the design if it is no longer being used anywhere else. Your object will now return to its default appearance or inherit the base material of the component. And that's it. That's the quick and correct way to remove an applied material in Fusion 360. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials, CAD tips, and simple software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.